Hey guys, thanks for checking out my video. Today this video is just about some maintenance that I did on the bike today. Had some rainy weather, so I figured I would take the opportunity to just do a few minor maintenance things on the bike here. This is a 2008 CBR 600 RR. So today all I did was just minor things, like I said. The front brake pads needed to be replaced, so I got some new, put some new front brake pads in. And I also bled the rear brakes, which I did those pads not too long ago, and then I bled the front. So they came out, you can see that's pretty clear. The old brake fluid was getting pretty brown, so it was time to replace that, as well as the rear, because as you guys know, brake fluid is almost clear. It has a slight color to it, but it's basically clear. So whenever you see these guys once that starts to get brown and dirty, it's time to be replaced. So real easy job. There's the old brake fluid right there. You see how dirty that is. I don't know when the last time it was replaced, but it was definitely time. So the other thing I'm doing today is I'm changing the air filter. And it's not hard, but man, Honda made it very, very time consuming. It takes a little while. It's not just a simple job like changing. My car air filter was pretty easy to change. So there's all my screws and everything you gotta take off. That piece there, as well as my tank cover over there. But real easy. You know, a couple bolts holding your tank cover on, move a couple more screws holding this stuff in, and then right down there you see all the bugs and stuff. I don't know when this was replaced last either, so it's definitely time also. So here's the old air filter. See, it's got a bunch of bees in there and all kinds of crap. And me, I thought somehow this air filter came out, that this was like a housing or something, but nope, this is the whole air filter. So when you get a new one, you get a whole new unit here. So I have a new one, high flow filter. I think I got this off of motorsport.com, and we'll pull it out here. You can see brand new filter. This is the original one, I believe, just based by the color. I think that may be, but as you can see, this one looks a lot nicer, brand new, clean. This is the back, so when you put it in there, it's going to go in with this metal screen side facing you. This is to the front of the towards the front of the bike, because you see how all that stuff gets in there. It just goes, you know, you can suck bugs in right through that middle intake there, and you know, bees and stuff can get right through, and then you need a good filter to catch that stuff. But yeah, so that's all. I'm also it's time to clean and lube the chain again. I think you're supposed to do it every couple hundred miles. You know, I've probably put 500 miles on here, so I'm going to go ahead and clean that up, lube it up. I will have a good video for you guys coming up. Should be a nice group ride coming up in a week or so. That hopefully it doesn't rain or anything, and I'll have some footage of that. We'll see how it goes. I'm thinking there's going to be quite a few people going. You know, 20 or 30 would be nice. That's a lot for where I'm at. So get some nice footage of riding up through the Adirondacks up in New York here, northern New York. But yeah, that's it. There's the bike. Air filter was just a lot of screws to get in, and you have to have a tiny screwdriver. Real easy. I mean, this is what you need. You need just a Phillips screwdriver, a tiny little Phillips, a flathead to pry some push pins out, and I use a magnet to get the pull the screws out so they don't fall, and then you need a hex or a Torx bit. I'm not sure what size it is. But yeah, that's it, guys. All right. So look out for my video coming up. Thanks for watching.